While doing the compass calibration, use the prop guards and fold the propellers and then connect the drone. It will flash us LEDs continuous. After this will become a solid color. Then come back to your mobile, turn on the Aero GCS and click the connecting button and use the Bluetooth and press OK. Then select T12 in the option.
Connected.
After that it shows connected. Then we need to use the start button. The UI shows like this. And then we are doing the compass calibration now. Click the three buttons on the corner and then use the drone symbol. Then it will appear as an accelerometer calibration and compass calibration. Now we will hit the compass calibration. Yeah, hit it. And now it turns in the yellow, solid yellow color. Lift the drone up and rotate very slowly until it shows the green. Slowly. Now it shows the green on the other side. Now nose down the drone and rotate. So all this has to be in counterclockwise direction. Now it will flash us LEDs after completion of compass calibration. Flashes like this and place it downside. And now it shows in app as in compass calibration completed. Yes. Now we are doing the hard reboot. That means we are restarting the drone. Disconnect the drone power and then reconnect. So this is the procedure of compass calibration. And we have another option called accelerometer calibration.
Read FC state check mag field.
If the drone surface is not good, then you need to use this option and it will calibrate accelerometer in the level surface with the flashing LEDs. After it is completed, it shows the solid green and shows completed
FC
in the
state check mag
application
field.
as well.